Hello, children. Good morning. This is 4th Standard English. Lesson Save Wisely. This is supplementary reader. Now I'm going to tell you the short story about this lesson. I'll explain each paragraph, okay? Listen to this. Page number 103 in the book. Every year, Kamali and her cousins would visit her grandparents in their native village for the car festival that lasted for 3 days. The entire village will be in a festive mood. The children were the most excited. The family members and relatives would give the children money to buy sweets and toys. The children would buy toys, chocolates, sweets, or packed food items. They would spend all the money and never save the money at all. Their grandfather felt that the children would learn to save and use their money wisely. So, this year he announced that the children should save the money they get over the course of a year and spend it purposefully. This is first paragraph. Every day we used to go for grandparents' house, no, for the village festival. Usually once in a year we'll get a festival. That is car festival. That is for 3 days. So grandparents all are there. So we are going there, and we are all enjoying the festival mood. We can see our cousins, brothers, sons, daughters, like that. So sisters, brothers, everybody. So we all were more excited. We all will be very happy. We were wearing new dresses, and we can go and buy whatever they are selling in that festival. So that will be something jolly. Okay. So the family members and relatives, we can meet the family members and the relatives would give the children money to buy. They will give some 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees, like that. They will give money and they will say to buy sweets and toys. You can go and buy something sweets and eat, ice cream you can eat, or you can buy toys. The children would buy what they will buy. They will buy toys, chocolates, sweets, or packed food items, anything, something different, packed food items. They would spend all the money and never save the money at all, because some children they will get more, 100 rupees also, 200 rupees also. So what they will do, they will buy everything. Their grandparents felt that the children should learn to save their money wisely. The parents, grandparents, what they are thinking, if you give money they should save this money and keep for other good things, like that they are thinking. But this year he announced that the children should save the money they get over the course of a year. This year fully you have to save your money and spend, and you can spend it in a purposefully, because you have to spend in a useful way. Next paragraph. The children were not all excited by the announcement. The grandparent is announcing like this. Rajan and Mala were the youngest of the kids. There are two small kids in the picture you can see. They did not take the words of the grandfather seriously. They spent their money on sweets and toys. They are going and buying the sweets to eat and play toys. Toys they are buying. The other siblings, other brothers and sisters, all, Jayan and Kaveri, decided to enjoy the festival to the fullest. They want to enjoy the festival because once in a year they are going to their native place for the village to see all that and to enjoy. So they don't want to save the money and all. They want to be full enjoyment. Okay, they bought every type of food available across the shops. What are the foods they are selling? Everything they are buying and eating. On the second day, Jayan got sick due to the food poison, because he was eating all the food, all the sweets, everything. So he got food poison. Something happened to him. So he decided to spend the money only on toys. Then what he did next day, okay, don't want to eat any food, outside food. We will buy some toys and play. The eldest of the kids were Kamali and Sendil. They very elders. What they did, they are determined to save the money and use it in purposefully. They want to save the money because they are elder children and they want to save the money. So what they did, so they controlled their desires and saved their rupees they got. What grandfather gave, what they did, they didn't buy any sweets, toys, like that. They were saving the money and they want to do something important thing. But at the end of the festival, they managed to save around 300 rupees. Every day their parents are giving, grandparents, some relations, everybody. So they collected 300 rupees. Grandfather was so happy to see their effect. Grandparents were seeing that because this is big children, no, so they know the money uses. So they are collecting and keeping 300 rupees at home. Sendil, when he went home, he took his father to the nearest post office and opened a saving account. Sendil, what he did, that boy, he took his father and he wants to go to the post office. You all know about the post office. There is a small saving scheme. So what he did, he was saving the money. He saved all his pocket money and found new way to save money. He started to walking instead of taking the bus. Bus, if you go in the bus also, we have to spend money for the ticket. So what he did, he was walk and go and to the post office and he was saving money. He kept his stationery safely. What are the stationeries he bought? Rubber, pencil, what are the accessories he bought? He kept very safely so that he did not have to keep buying them. That also he no need to buy. He keep very safely and he was having that. He reused his old books to save money. What he did, he got old books. He sold all the old books to the shops and got the money. So he saved that money also. Soon his father made him understand that saving is done after using the money for basic needs. Then his father was explaining, you have to use for the basic needs of money. Then you can save. What you got, balance amount you can save. Like that he was telling. So Sendil bought new books to take notes in his class. Then what he did? He bought new books, new notebooks, something he bought. And he was using for the class for the new one. Sendil's dream was to buy a camera. Sendil was like to buy a camera. He wants to take photo, so that he wants to buy a camera. He liked to be as a cameraman. So at the end of the year, his father checked his savings and bought him the latest camera with his savings. He was having all the saving money. Then what his father did? Dad called him and asked how much you got. He said, I got plenty of money. Then we can buy a camera. I'll buy for you one latest camera for you. Kamali had a clear plan. Then Kamali, she had a clear plan. She had a friend named Anandi. Our friend's name is Anandi. Anandi's father was a fluist. Anandi's father was a flute master. They lived in the same street. They lived in the same street. So the girls used to visit each other often. Every time she meet Anandi and Kamali. Anandi and Kamali are both good friends. On many of these occasions, every time, any festival time, Anandi used to reach her to play the flute. Kamali always wanted to buy a flute. So every time she will see that father is playing a flute, he will make music in that. So she got interest with that and she wants to buy a flute. At the end of 1 year, she managed to save some amount. That time, her father needed money urgently and asked if you could use money. She promised to return the money soon. Father was in some problem, housemaid problem, some money problem. So he asked that Kamali to give that money. What you got that money? I'll return it back. So what she did? After 1 year, you have to return this money needed. So she gave that needed money to her father. She promised to return the money soon. As possible as soon you have to return the money for me. Kamali gave her savings to her father. Kamali, what she did? She gave her savings money to her father. Although she was proud of helping her father. And she was thinking that I am giving the saving money to my father. That is very important, no? So, Kamali gave her father a money. Although she was proud because father need that time the money. So, she's helping that, no. Still, she wanted to buy the flute. Then she told her father, I want to buy a flute. She was disappointed because she couldn't buy the flute. She wants to help her father. Soon it was time to visit the village. It was a time to visit the village. She wants to go for the village. Everyone was happy to meet each other after 1 year. After 1 year, they all are meeting again. All cousins, sisters, brothers, everybody, relatives, all are meeting. On the day, the car festival. On the day, the main festival, car festival. The whole family gathered in the village. Whole family gathered in a village. Everyone in the family shared about their year gone one by one. Everyone was telling 1 year how we are spent it, how we were doing, what we are studied, where we went, everything they were sharing. After dinner, Sendil brought his new camera and told grandpa how he have saved and bought the camera. That boy Sendil, he bought one camera. So he brought that camera to the village and showed to his grandfather, because last year fully I saved the money and bought the camera. Grandpa was very proud and happy. Grandpa was very proud and happy with this boy. He congratulated him. Meanwhile, Kamali's father gave Grandpa a gift and said something in his ears. Grandpa smiled and called Kamali. Grandpa called Kamali with a smile. He gave her the gift. The grandpa gave a gift to Kamali. Her savings were used to buy a gift. Kamali eagerly opened the box. Grandfather gave a box. So what she did, she was very eagerly, she was very happy, and she was opened the box and found a brand new flute. She got a brand new flute. She was always happy with the flute. No, she wants to buy. She was thinking no. So grandfather gave a present. Her eyes were moist with tears. She was having her eyes full of tears because she got what she expected that she got. The whole family asked her to play the flute. The whole family asked her to play the flute. Kamali played a song. She played a song with that flute. She was having a good, nice song. Her friend had taught her. Our friend's father was a fluentist, no? So, but the practice of this, she got a song, nice song. So she sang with that. Sendil started clicking pictures of the event with this camera. Sendil was having a camera and he was having all the event, what with the relations, everything, festival photos, everything he is taking. The Kamali girl, she was song by the played as a flute, with the flute, a nice song. So the grandfather was very happy because these two children, they bought what they needed. So like this, we have to save the money and you must use in a good way. Thank you, children.